Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change Hangar Ambience in Broken Arrow. So as you guys see, I'm already in the main menu. I'm going to left click on the settings button, then go to the gameplay tab, and as you see there's the Hangar Ambience. Left click on it and then you can change it on clock dependent, morning, day overcast, and evening or night. So pick whichever one you would like. I'll just pick evening, click apply, click back, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.